Welcome to the Airgun Guru. Today we're going to talk about the TechForce Airgun, the 99 Premier. The 99 Premier was designed in 1999, so it has 10 years in the field. This gun in a 177 caliber will travel at 1100 foot per second, and in 22 caliber it'll travel at 900 foot per second. Now today I'm going to show you some of the features of the TechForce 99 Premier. First of all, let's start with the trigger grip. Now if I can have my wonderful cameraman zoom in on the trigger grip. Alright, the trigger features two safeties. The forward safety in front of the trigger and the bear trap safety in the rear of the trigger. So you have two safeties on the gun. The first safety that you're going to encounter is the bear trap. When we cock the gun, it locks on the bear trap. That protects your fingers when you're loading the gun. When you're through loading, you release the bear trap by squeezing it and moving the cocking arm back to the original position. When it is cocked, the safety forward of the trigger goes in an automatic lock position. Now the gun is ready to fire. Of course you don't fire a gun if it is empty unless you have some back pressure on the muzzle. So we always put a rag over the end of the muzzle to discharge an empty TechForce 99 Premier. Now let's talk about the front sight gripping on the gun. I'm going to move the gun back to position. We have a one-piece metal sight, which the cocking arm, which you see, interlocks in it and retains it by a ball and spring. Now, to open this, you just take your fingers, you separate it, and cock it. Pop it back together. Now, to keep tension on the cocking arm, there is a screw in the end of the front sight gripping, and I'm going to rotate this around where you can see it. If my cameraman's as good as he thinks he is, we'll get a shot of it. This screw here, it takes a flat blade screwdriver and is a spring and ball type of grouping. So you just rotate it clockwise and that'll add more pressure on the ball that retains the cocking arm. Alright, now we're going to turn the camera off for a second and go over, we're going to have an exposed view of the TechForce 99. You're back with the Airgun Guru. Alright, as we talked in the first part of this video, the bear trap safety. Now I have the gun out of the stock so you can actually see the bear trap safety. There's the lever. If you see this high technology laser point, we're definitely in the 21st century. And this is the rest of the bear trap safety. So when you cock the cocking arm, you see the notch there, it travels back to the bear trap safety and locks right here. So this is a wonderful feature on a TechForce 99 Premier. Alright, we have the power plant of the TechForce 99 Premier. First of all, the chrome looking thing is the cylinder. And in the cylinder, in the TechForce 99, you have two seals. You have the main seal, which we'll talk about in a second. And then we have the cone seal. And I'm going to bring this cylinder up. And there's where the cone seal goes. When you close the receiver, this locks over the barrel where you put the pellets. So there's your cone seal. So if you call in and ask for the guru and you say I want to replace my cone seal, this is it. And here is the cone seal out of the cylinder. The next part of the power plant is your piston. And with the TechForce 99 Premier, we have the leather seal. And here's the leather seal here. It has the screw. And we always talk about keeping this seal moist, and to add a couple drops of lubricant, which is normally a vegetable based oil, could be neatsfoot oil or just cooking oil. That'll keep this seal alive for 30 to 40,000 shots. The next is the spring and the spring guide. And this completes your power plant. So look it over before we shut the clip down. And this is the TechForce 99 Premier. And from the TechForce Airguns Guru, have a nice day.